In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Word documents with OneDrive when using Microsoft Word on Windows computers. Syncing your documents ensures that your files are automatically backed up to the cloud, allowing you to access them from any device and collaborate seamlessly with others. To start, open Microsoft Word and either create a new document or open an existing one that you want to sync. Once your document is open, go to the File tab at the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Save As. In the Save As options, choose OneDrive as your location. If you haven't signed in yet, Word will prompt you to log in with your Microsoft account. Enter your credentials to connect to OneDrive. After signing in, select the specific OneDrive folder where you want to save your document. You can create a new folder for better organization or choose an existing one. Once you've selected the folder, click Save. From this point forward, your document is stored in the cloud, and any changes you make will be synced automatically to OneDrive. If your document is already saved locally on your computer and you want to move it to OneDrive, you can do so by opening the File tab and selecting Save a Copy. Choose OneDrive as the destination, pick the folder, and click Save. Word will then upload the file to the cloud, and all future edits will sync automatically. To verify that your document is syncing, look at the title bar at the top of Word. You'll see a status indicator showing that your document is saving or that it's up to date. This confirms that changes are being backed up in real time. OneDrive also allows for easy collaboration. If you want others to view or edit your document, click on the Share button in the top right corner of Word. You can invite people via email or generate a link, and your changes will be synced automatically as collaborators work on the file. And that's it. You now know how to sync Word documents with OneDrive on Windows computers, ensuring your files are backed up, accessible from any device, and ready for collaboration. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.